Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on FLOKI. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this recent breakdown from this quite long up channel. And I was telling you that after the breakdown, the technical target for this breakdown will be here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at $0.0001295. And you can see that the price line moved even slightly more lower than this target, this expected target for the breakdown. And we will also take a look at this previous breakout from this down channel and from this symmetrical triangle as well. And I would also like to show you this very big formation of the broadening rising wedge pattern that is formed here on this 7 days time frame chart. And we will also want this previous breakout from this big down channel on this 7 days time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for FLOKI that I shared on 20th of May 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse regardless pattern that FLOKI formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And after playing this chart, you can observe that the price then started a very massive rally. And this was almost 48% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. By the way, this was more than 48%, almost 83% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such as the pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me to take you to the live chart of FLOKI. And this is the weekly. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And previously, I have been showing you this breakout from this down channel. And you can see that it also broke out this symmetrical triangle as well that was formed here on this daily time frame chart. And here we had this down trend line support and a down trend line resistance, and up trend line support and a down trend line resistance. And after getting squeezed inside this triangle, the price then also broke out the resistance of the channel and this triangle as well. And I was telling you that the technical target for the breakout from this channel can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $0.0003. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target. And after getting rejected by this long-term resistance of 0.3 times $0.35, the price then moved down and also broke down another down channel. You can see that at the same time it was also forming this not a down channel, up channel. That was you can see the formation of this up channel was started here when it was moving inside this previous down channel. You can see we had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection. Very close move to this resistance, but could not hit this time. And then we got another rejection here, bounce, rejection. Very nice move inside this up channel. And finally, we have broken down the support. Now we need to keep an eye on this support zone. That starts from $0.000147 and goes to $0.001295. Previously, this support zone has been breaking as a support zone here, and here is a support. And now for the past several days, it is breaking as a nice support zone. At the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then you can see that it is forming higher low. At the same time, price line is forming a lower low. So there is a bullish divergence signal flash on this daily time frame chart. Therefore, the price line is moved up, and now it is trying to break out the upper bands of this resistance zone that is here at $0.000147. If the price line breaks out this upper bands, then it can reach the next resistance that is here at $0.001847. $8. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that oscillator, the stochastic oscillator, has completely entered the oversold zone, like previously when it was entered the oversold zone here. Then we had a very nice pump before that when it was entered the oversold zone here. First it entered here, then we had a nice short pump, but the pricing got rejected by the resistance of this previous falling wedge pattern. Then it was again entered the oversold zone here. Then we broke out this wedge. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon it can start another reversal move, or at least a correction move from here, because it is now completely entered the oversold zone. Now, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this channel. And the technical target for this breakout from this channel I was telling you was here at 3.5, and you can see that we have already hit that target. And so far, from this low to this high, you can see that FLOKI has rallied more than 7,148%, but still a very, very big move due. And that is when it will hit the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern. You can see whenever it is getting bounced from the support, it is getting rejected by the resistance. This time, it is bounced very well from the support, formed another higher than previous high, but still, it is not reached the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern. And this time, it can hit the resistance of the broadening rising wedge pattern somewhere here, approximately at $0.002. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.